Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Venmo account. So basically, to create a Venmo account, you can either use an application or you can just do it from the web browser. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. Only difference is that you need to install the application on your mobile, and for a desktop or a Windows, you'll need to open up a web browser, type in www.venmo.com/signup. After that, it's going to take you to the official web page of Venmo. Here you can see right on top there are two different options: login and get Venmo. If you already have an account, click on the login button and login into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and tap on Get Venmo, which is located in the upper right as well. It's going to take you to the other interface where you need to select the account type. Whether you want to do it personal, teen, or business account, select either one of it and click on Get Started. After that, it's going to ask you to enter a phone number for the verification purpose. So type in the phone number and click on Send Code. Make sure that you've copied or entered and also make sure that you've entered the country's code. Click on the Send Code button located right at the bottom. So you'll receive a verification code on your mobile phone number and on your number you provided. Enter this code to verify your phone number. You can choose to add a profile photo to your Venmo account. This step is optional, but it helps your friend to recognize you. To send and receive money on Venmo, you'll need to link a bank account or debit card. Venmo will guide you through this process, which involves providing your bank or card details. After that, it's going to ask you to set up a PIN. So that is also optional. You have option to set up a PIN, add security. This PIN is required for certain transaction. Venmo can help you find friends who are already on platform by syncing your contact or connecting to your Facebook account. You can choose to skip these steps if you prefer. Once your account is set up, your payment method is linked, you can start using send and receive money to from Venmo. Now you can explore Venmo. So that is basically how you can create a Venmo account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.